what is your understanding on data? What do you understand by data? In general, I am just asking you. Okay, I guess nobody is aware of it. Fine. Data is information, so it can be present in any format. Let it be uh, tabular, or let it be something like image, or something like text, or anything. So whenever it is data there, that means there is a information. So for example, if you have a data that has names, ages, and if they are selling something or buying something to their prices, so that is the data. So what you can bring out from that data, and that bringing out, giving information to the data, whatever you do after after getting the data, that is nothing but data analysis. Data analysis is a part of converting your data, your information, into a knowledge, into a knowledge. That is called data analytics. Okay, so I'll be taking you through from the basics of data analytics. Why is data analytics important? What you can do with data analysis? How is your career in data analysis? All this I'll be taking you through all this. Just hold on. So here is a description of data. The data, whichever it is, assigned, which has some values in it, which has some information in it, which can be organized or unorganized or processed or anything like that. So once that is processed and taken out to presentation, or taken out to delivering any insights, that is called data analytics. So just giving you an example, data can be in two formats, can be in text, can be in numbers. So data which is mostly available in text is called qualitative, and which has some descriptions of texture, or which has some taste information like taste, or like ages, sorry, I'm so sorry, which has some information like gender, or which has some information like names. So as example of categories, you can say. Okay, and when it comes to number, quantitative, the information whichever it is in numbers, that is nothing but that is called quantitative. So quantitative data which can be measured in can be said as age, can be said as cost, can be said as weight, length, any kind of information which is available in numbers. Okay, so moving on, these are the data structures: unstructured and structured data. So which has some information which is not in a proper shape, and which has some information which is in proper shape. So these are the two categories. And from here, our data is here. From this to this, intelligence. This is the whole process where data analytics comes into picture. So from the operational environment, from the scratch, from where the data is, from there You're bringing it out, taking some information from it, processing and exploitation, and then doing some analysis and production, and then comes the intelligence. So the whole process is called data analysis, which involves cleaning of data, transforming of data, modeling of data. So this is a approach, a diverse technology, which you can say, wherein few applications you might need to process this. So your applications will come into picture when you take this information inside and give that information outside. So the whole process, wherein you need application to do all this. So the applications can be taken as SQL, the order of application, like I can say SQL, and then Python for data manipulation. And even though you can, for data storage also, you can use Excel and some data cleaning or something for that. You can also use Excel. These are the three tools, and Power BI in the last, that can be taken as visualization tool. So a business intelligence tool as well as data visualization. So wherein you can present your data. You have done everything in the background. Now you are doing, and now you are coming out with intelligence and presenting the data. So Power BI is more useful, even though along with Power BI, even Excel also has some charts. It has some good maps. So wherein you can visually present your data. So this is the whole process of data analytics. So I'll be taking you through uh, the basic tools which you need to analyze your data, to get your data, and from there, what all you need to do to become a data analyst. So this is the whole process of the whole agenda of this course is to make you a data analyst. How, where, what, all these questions are answered here. So as if you see what is being answered, why is being answered, how is being answered. So these are the whole things what I am trying to cover and make you understand the complete concept, end-to-end concept of data analytics. So these are the main things what I tried to cover. What is covered now? Why is being covered? So why is data analytics important? So this is the big question. If you see the bullet points here, gathering hidden insights, generate reports, perform market analysis, improve business requirement. So these are the bullet points. So wherein before beginning to that, I'll just tell you, as there is a enormous data amount of data available in the market. I mean, wherever you're working or uh, wherever you're trying to be a data analyst. So at that position, there will be definitely data is huge. So to analyze the data, to bring out some intelligence from the data, these are the four factors which signify that a data analyst should have, should do in real life. So the useful insight is coming down, gathering hidden insights. So from the data, you will be definitely having insights wherein you can present it to the management and which can be taken into consideration to improve the business. So you'll, as a data analyst, you'll be analyzing data from and giving hidden insights, and then generating reports, and that can be used for business day-on-day business requirements, and then performing market analysis and making sure that the company which you are working will be better in progress, wherein which what are the market, you can analyze what all are done in the market, and then from there you improve your business requirement. So that's the process. Why is data analytics important? Now coming to how to become a data analyst. To become a data analyst, you have to understand what is the process from getting the data to providing the intelligence, and what all can be used, what all applications can be used to do all this. So if you see, data analysts translate numbers into plain English and give some points where which can be directly used in the business and can be improved. A data analyst delivers value to their company by taking information about specific topics and then interpreting, analyzing, presenting findings in comprehensive reports. So that's the benefit here, presenting generating reports. And then, so if you have the capability to collect data from various sources, analyze, gather hidden insights, that's the process here. Gather hidden insights, perform market analysis, and then generate reports. Then you can become a data analyst. You can apply for a job which wherein you will be fit to apply for a job with the concept of applying as a data analyst. So in this process, I'll be taking you through uh, applications like Power BI. I'll be teaching you what are the applications which will be helping you to become data analyst. Those are nothing but SQL, Power BI, Microsoft Excel, and Python. So just giving you a hidden insight from Python. So in Python, I'll be teaching you how to import data sets, how to clean the data from data frame manipulation, summarizing the data, building pipelines. The end of this course, you will be having a proper understanding on how to program in Python, how to create manipulate arrays, NumPy and Python in Python, and then for visualization, we have packages called Seaborn and Matplotlib, and so on. To become a data analyst, you have to understand these concept of data manipulation, exploratory data analysis. You have to understand these concepts. Coming to 1 second. In this, I'll be telling you how to deal with these two major applications: Microsoft Excel and Power BI. As Power BI is a boom in market. If you see, it's a business intelligence tool, and in which I'll be taking you to the concept of what is Power BI, what all you need to do with Power, what all you can do in Power BI. So this is a business intelligence tool which will be making you understand the design of the data, to present the data, how you can present, what all you can use to present your story. We can build some story which can help you in giving a information to a better information to the management. So these are the things which I'll be covering in Power BI. So I just have a look at it. Anywhere, if you feel any questions, you can ask. All the topics will be covered here. Anybody have any questions? Please ask. Move on. Let's move on to the next one. And for report visualization and properties, charts and map, report properties, all these things will be covered. Filter, clearing, flashy rows, page level filter, visual filter, and then data labels, line charts, all these things. Also the hierarchical data, drill down of reports, Power Query, M language and all. That is about Power BI. So guys, anybody have any questions? Please ask. You can ask any question if you have. So Krishna Mohan and Vinay.
Yes, sir.
So do you have any doubts? Are you clear with the concept?
Nothing, sir. Yes, sir.
How to become a data analyst? I tried to explain you what all the concepts, what are the things you need to do to become a data analyst. Okay. So I have given you an introduction of how to become a data analyst, what all the things are required to become a data analyst. So in this, you have any questions? Any questions? Krishna Mohan or Vinay? Okay. So this is about the concept, what all will be taught, and we'll make sure that you are independent with the concept of how to analyze data, how to become a data analyst. So we'll make sure that you begin this journey with confidence and end this journey with confidence and apply for a job in the same domain. Okay, we'll make sure that you reach to your goals in your life, and we'll also make sure that each and every application which I spoke to you regarding this SQL, Python, Excel and Power BI, all these things will be covered, and in this we'll be making sure that you will be analyzing data properly and bringing out some good insights from there, and you will be able to fit for the job role called data analyst. So if you have any questions, that's fine, you can ask. If you do not have any questions, then we will end the class. So you can chat, no problem. You can give the reply in chat that there is no question. Then we'll end the class. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.